At Discount Flooring Depot, we want to provide you with as much information as we can to assist you throughout your project. Today we're going to talk about our beautiful LVT herringbone range called Royal. The Royal range is available in 4 gorgeous decors designed to complement any home. The flooring is fully waterproof, comes with a robust AC5 rating, and features a drop-click fitting system that makes fitting quick and easy. Within your packs you will find A and B sided boards. Starting with an A, align at a perfect 45-degree angle. Take the B board, engage the long joint and bring as close to the A board as possible. Lower gently. Using a rubber mallet or a mallet and tapping block, simply tap the short joint down until fully engaged. Continue this process with A followed by B sided boards to create the timeless herringbone pattern. The Royal Herringbone range not only complements any room styling, it's also extremely tough with its AC5 rating, and its click fitting system makes fitting simple and easy. Order your free samples today or use our room visualizer so that you can see our stunning floors in your home. Next day delivery is available, and with flexible purchase options, your perfect flooring really is just a few clicks away.